Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and the person I'm trying to help with this belt hanger from last night sent me this file, and he said it. He even had to sit on the right side, and I started doing the left. And first of all, uh, this is yours, and this is mine. I just made a copy of it, but there's a lot of nodes, and since you're a plasma cutter, you need to delete as many of those nodes as you can. Uh, It didn't really change the shape, and so when you make this arch, maybe go for that. But anyway, that's not what the video is about, and I don't know what to call this because he's having trouble right here when he does what we did earlier in the video. If they're half an inch wide, so I'm going a quarter of an inch, and that works. But when you do this one, it does that. Now I have no clue why, and I really don't know how I've found it or figured it out. But all this is one single line. So this is the end and start of your line. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to reverse the subpath. So now the arrow's going the other way. And then you can take those two nodes and click on it and it works. So I don't know why that does it. Hopefully someday I'll figure that out. But it definitely was the culprit. And then I would delete those two nodes in there. And I don't think it's going to, when you put it back, it doesn't change anything. So I don't know because this is one continuous line. I don't know why it had that effect, but there's the answer. So we'll do the same thing here with your copy. We'll grab those two nodes and apply, and it does it. But once we get to the subpath, right click, reverse subpath, grab those two nodes, and it doesn't do it. Let's see if it does it anywhere else. Now that it's backwards, just for an experiment. I'd already done that one. Now I don't know why that subpath trick worked. Don't really know how I thought about doing that, but I just saw that. See, like right now the subpath is up here on this one and it's down here on this one. It's just when I made the copy. And just for instance, if you take this thing and mirror it, now your subpath is over here. It's even a little more different. You would want that straight anyway. I don't think you could fillet it that small a mark. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.